Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the theme in CoinStats application. Changing the theme in CoinStats lets you switch between light, dark or system modes to make the app easier on your eyes. First of all, launch open CoinStats app on your Android or iOS device and sign in with your credentials if you haven't already. Once you're logged into the main homepage, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the More button. From the More menu that appears on the screen, tap on Settings. On the next page, look for the Theme option at the bottom and then select between Dark, Light or Auto. If you choose the Dark option, you will see a darker interface for low light environments. If you tap on Light, you'll see a bright interface. If you select Auto, this will follow your device's theme. So there you have it. That is how you can easily switch between dark and light mode in CoinStats application using your smartphone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.